In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a public Slack channel private. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get into it. Slack is a fantastic tool for communication and collaboration, but sometimes you might realize that a public channel doesn't quite fit your needs, and you want to ensure that only a select group of people can see and contribute to the conversation. To start, first, open Slack and look to your left sidebar. This is where all your channels are listed. Find the public channel you want to convert to a private one. Once you've located it, just click on the channel name to open it. Easy, right? Now that you're in the channel, you need to access the channel options. Go to the upper right corner of the channel window where you'll see three little dots, often called the ellipsis icon. This icon is essential because it leads you to a menu with various options. Click on it, and let's move on to the next step. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option that says Edit Settings. Click on that. This step will take you to a settings page that allows you to adjust how the channel operates. Now, here's where the magic happens. Within the settings menu, you should see an option labeled Change to a Private Channel. This is the crucial step where you actually convert that public channel into a private one. Click on that option. Slack will confirm that you want to make this change. After all, this is quite a significant alteration. Once you've clicked to change it, you might want to take a moment to look for any other optional adjustments you'd like to make. Perhaps you want to update the channel name or tweak some other settings. Once you're satisfied with your choices, find the button that says Save Changes. It's typically at the bottom of the settings page. Go ahead and click that to finalize everything. And just like that, your once public channel is now private. You've successfully taken control of who can see and participate in your discussions. This change allows for more focused discussions and enhances confidentiality among your team members. Remember, it's always good practice to communicate with your team about any changes to channel settings, especially when it concerns the privacy of discussions. Let your team members know about the shift to a private channel so that everyone stays in the loop. That wraps up our tutorial on how to make a public Slack channel private. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. If you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn about Slack or other tools, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to